Avians, driven by innovation. Avians is the largest manufacturer of complete automated doors, providing solutions from entry to exit. Let's start with a comprehensive Avians product tour through a company. There's a motorized sliding gate installed at the main entrance. Available in various industrial designs, this gate works on the rack and pinion mechanism and can be operated by the security staff with operating accessory. Next are the rising bollards, which are installed in front of the sliding gate. After vehicle authentication, vehicle entry can be permitted, an ideal security solution, especially considering aspects of design, safety and management. A side wicket gate can be used for manual entry. Next we have the tripod turnstile, a quick and reliable authorized passway which can be operated via access systems. To control and monitor the flow of people, we offer the full height turnstiles. These come in single lane and dual lane, as well as manual and automatic with access systems. Now let's go across to the administration office of the company. Here we see glass sliding doors installed. These doors will open when the sensors detect a moving object in its radius area. They will close automatically based on a time delay. Entry to staff seating areas are generally through smaller internal openings. Here's an automatic swing door with flush type door opening. These doors will open with a push button, an authorized ID card or biometric thumb scan. These doors are available in a variety of panel designs. Avians has opened the doors of opportunity and works in several sectors including automobile, food, pharma, warehousing, engineering industries and many more. For frequent operation, Avians' robust and high-speed boom barriers offer a higher level of security to control entry and exit. The motorized telescopic gate is the perfect product for wider openings and where there are parking constraints. This gate works on a wire rope mechanism, thus reducing friction while driving the gate leaves. Integration of gates along with different safety and operating accessories is also possible. With branch offices in all the metro cities in India, Avians' headquarters and state-of-the-art manufacturing plant are located in Pune in India. And now let's come to the production and dispatch area of this plant. Here we will be covering a wide range of other products based on applications. Motorized cantilever gates are recommended where frequent heavy vehicle movement takes place and where the road surface is to be kept clean and undisturbed. A specially designed cantilever roller mechanism along with a motor drives the gate. At specialized loading bays, specialized equipment is required. Proper sealing can be achieved between internal and external environments coupled with a reduction in energy consumption by dock shelters. These are especially useful in the food and pharma industries. Energy-efficient CE-certified dock levelers from Avians are an integral part of loading bays as they cater to the height variances of different types of vehicles which come for loading and unloading. These dock levelers can carry multiple loads and offer varying capacities. The combined entrance of the dock leveler, dock shelter and the sectional door can be interlocked if required. Sometimes a door installation is necessary for very large openings where additional lintel space is not available and parking space is less. The specially designed motorized sliding and folding doors with topside door mounting with a curvy linear track is the ideal solution from Avians. At times, for large openings where enough parking space is available, conventional motorized sliding doors can be used. Avians offers this door in different panels to suit the customer's requirements. Avians is a trendsetter in the manufacture of high-speed roll-up doors in India. These CE certified lightweight PVC fabric doors are used for internal applications where frequent, smooth and noiseless opening is expected. These doors are controlled with smart digital controls and accessories. Fire-rated rolling shutters engineered by Avians and certified by Exova Warrington, UK, act as barriers to fire and are manufactured in line with British standards. They prevent the passage of fire from one place to another. While Avian's products cater to a very wide range of applications, the company uses the best quality raw materials in all its products and follows the best manufacturing practices in the industry. The most widely used among all the categories of doors is the motorized single-wall rolling shutter. Different variances in the material, thickness, perforations and grills are available. They are mostly used where safety is a concern with less operations. In the actual paint booth or any similar application where the frequency of opening and closing is high, high-speed roll-up doors with full vision are used. High-speed fold-up doors are used where the clear opening and frequency of operation are high. In this type of door, the PVC fabric door folds vertically. In this automobile plant, as we exit the assembly shop, we notice that the parking space is very less on both sides. That's the reason motorized telescopic sliding doors are used. Now let's take a look at yet another door application. At the dyno room, a custom-designed double-wall insulated rolling shutter has been installed. The slats are made of galvanized steel with polyurethane foam inside for added insulation. These shutters are suitable to restrict sound transmission and provide rigidity. At the dyno room exit end, an insulated sectional door in N-type fitting has been installed. These doors are used in applications where there is insufficient headroom. Another type of door in this area is the sectional overhead door with vertical lift fitting, providing insulation along with maximum security and reliability. On occasion where the size of the opening is very large, a tailor-made hanger door is installed. This can be a metal or a fabric door, and one of the types is a telescopic door. These doors are specifically designed for durability and reliability for the heavy industry. Avians manufactures doors and gates for every application in almost every industry. At the material out gate, we can see an Avians motorized swing gate. This swing gate is pivoted and turns 90 degrees while opening and closing. With such a wide array of products manufactured with high-tech processes by trained and qualified staff, Avians is uncompromising when it comes to design, elegance, utility and strength. Finally, let's quickly visit the entire range of Avians doors and gates. Avians Innovations Technology Private Limited. Innovation and technology, an unbeatable combination. Avians, driven by innovation.